It's natural to think that if a landlord provides a lawnmower to the tenant, they are more likely to mow the lawn. The reality is, a good tenant will take care of the yard as required in the lease, regardless of whether you provide a lawnmower or if they use their own. As a landlord, what you don't want to do is encourage the tenant to be overly dependent on you. That is a slippery slope that can lead to a lot of extra work on your part. Nor do you want to be responsible for the maintenance of a lawnmower when it breaks. Therefore, a lawnmower and other yard maintenance tools is not something you should provide. Some owners may be concerned that a tenant will not take care of the yard, but if you have followed proper tenant screening procedures and perform regular inspections, then you will likely have a responsible tenant who will follow the lease and keep the lawn mowed.